I'm Robert Van Ostrand. I'm a second-year PhD student here at UC Davis. I work in Sheila David's lab, and we study DNA repair. I'm also a father of 2 daughters, and I've been married for over 10 years. My wife and I met while I was in the Marine Corps. I saw her sitting at a table at a party, and I sat across from her at the table and I asked for some of her steak.
I offered.
She was a very pretty lady, and it just seemed like a natural fit right away. I joined the United States Marine Corps in 2005. I really wanted to serve my country. I didn't have any particular career job before that I was focused on, and that was a way to me to both grow as a person and challenge myself and fulfill that wanting to better the world or the community. The military certainly prepared me for grad school. You have to be very organized and disciplined about time management. You learn to overcome challenges. It really helped me learn that I can build myself into anything that I want. On my deployment in 2007, I was in Iraq. The major threat where we were improvised explosive devices, IEDs. One day our convoy comes along and we stop when we see the crater, and my vehicle commander and platoon sergeant got out of the vehicle and they ended up stepping on IED there. We were all pretty close to it. The blast knocked me down in my turret, but the point is, it really made me appreciate how beautiful life is and that life is short. That kind of helped me appreciate the day. Once I found research and something that I saw a future in, that just set me on fire.